Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to explain Oriental Aromatics Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss consolidated year on year and quarter results, but we'll give more importance for year on year results. Here amount in lakhs. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year 113 crores, this year 229 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here, revenue was increased 103% year on year. This is very good figure. Later, other income. Previous year 44 lakhs, this year 1.06 crores. We'll ignore this amount. Later, expenses. First one is cost of materials consumed. Previous year 63 crores, this year 164 crores. Here approximately 100 crores was increased. Later, change in inventories. Previous year 4.4 crores, this year 16 crores was credited. Later, manufacturing and operating costs. Previous year 13 crores, this year 24 crores. Later, employee benefit expenses. It was increased from 8.8 crores to 11.91 crores. Here, approximately 3 crores was increased. We need to check this employee benefit expenses increased for employees or management salaries. Later, finance cost. Previous year 75 lakhs, now 65 lakhs. Here 10 lakhs finance cost was decreased. Here we are paying very less interest. That means this company is zero debt company. That is positive sign. Later depreciation. Previous year 4.6 crores. This year 3.9 crores. We'll ignore this amount. Later other expenses. Previous year 5.5 crores. This year 11.45 crores. Here other expense was increased. Later profit before tax. Previous year 13.3 crores. This year 30.85 crores. Here approximately 17 crores was increased. We need to remember one point. Last year June was affected with lockdowns. This year also affected with lockdowns. But previous year lockdowns was implemented seriously. This year only few days was implemented. We need to remember that point. We'll check profit before tax in percentage. Here 130% year on year profit before tax increase. This is positive sign. Later tax expense. Previous year 3.4 crores. This year 8.15 crores. Here approximately 5 crores tax expenses increased. Why means here they are getting more profit before tax. Due to that one they are paying more tax. Later profit for the period. Previous year 9.9 crores. This year 22.7 crores. We'll check it in percentage. The profit after tax was increased 129% year on year. This is very good figure. Later paid up equity share capital. Previous year 16.82 crores. This year 16.82 crores. That means here they did not dilute the equity. This is positive sign. Later earning per share basic. Previous year 2.95 rupees. This year 6.75 rupees. Here approximately 4 rupees was increased. This is very good figure. This is positive sign. Now we'll check quarter on quarter results. In March quarter, they got 221 crores revenue from operations. In June quarter, 229 crores. Here approximately 8 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 4% quarter on quarter revenue increase. Later profit before tax. Previous quarter 29.3 crores. This quarter 30.85 crores. Here 1 crore was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 5% was increased. Later profit for the period. Previous quarter 22.4 crores. In June quarter 22.7 crores. Here 30 lakhs was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 1% increase. What we understood based on year and quarter results. Oriental Aromatic year on year results are very good or excellent, but quarter on quarter results are flat. but will give more importance for year-on-year results. So Oriental Aromatic year-on-year results are excellent. Now I'll check few more points. Current price of Oriental Aromatics is 934 rupees. So here today it was increased 1.7%. Oriental Aromatics results came after market hours. Now I'll check dividend. Click on corporate actions. Click on this link. Go down. Here in 2017 they gave 1.5 rupees as dividend. In 2018 2 rupees. Here 50 paise was increased. Later in 2019 it was decreased from 2 rupees to 1 rupee. But here we need to remember one more point. In 2018 they gave bonus shares 1:1 and also they split the stock from 10 to 5. So in 2018 2 rupees, after split and bonus they gave 1 rupee. But here for one stock they split it into 4 parts. One is 1:1 bonus shares and 10 to 5 rupees split. So totally 1 stock to 4 stocks. So here 4 into 1, that means they gave 4 rupees as dividend in 2019. So in 2018 2 rupees, in 2019 4 rupees. So here it was increased from 1 rupee to 4 rupees, that is positive sign. Later in 2020 they gave 5 rupees. So here 5 into 4, 20 rupees. Here it was increased from 4 rupees to 20 rupees. Here they gave very good dividend, that is positive sign. Now check valuations of Oriental Aromatics. Here ROCE, current ROCE is 24.4% and ROE is 20.2%. Here ROE is greater than 20%, that is positive sign. Later debt to equity 0.14, but in the current quarter interest was decreased, that means they decreased debt, that is positive sign. So here Oriental Aromatics is zero debt company, that is positive sign. Here promoter holding is 74.2%. Here promoters contains high promotership, that means this is illiquid stock. We need to remember that point. Here for 10 years free cash flow is 112 crores, this is positive sign. Here price to sales is 4.35, this is reasonable price to sales. Now check last year price chart. Here we have 1 year price chart. Before 1 year, Oriental Aromatic price is 291 rupees. Current price is 955. It was increased from 291 rupees to 955. Price increase very high. Now we'll check the last 1 year results. Here we have results from last year June quarter to March quarter. Last year June quarter, here sales was decreased 46% and profits decreased 44%. I think due to lockdowns that sales was decreased and also profits decreased. In September quarter, here sales decreased 10%, but profits increased 25%. This is positive side. Later in December quarter, sales was increased 9% and profits increased 107%. This is very good side. Later in March quarter, sales was increased 30.46%, but profits decreased 6%. Why means here expenses increased 40%. Here sales increased 30.4%, but expense increased 40.2%. Due to this one, profits decreased 6%. Now we'll compare these results with last 1 year price chart. Here first 3 months price was increased from 291 rupees to 350 rupees. Here approximately 60 rupees increase. Later it will increase from 350 rupees to 631. Later decreased from 631 to 566. Later increased to 549 rupees to 908 rupees. Later 908 to 768. If you see this one in March quarter, here profits decreased 6%. So price also decreased from 915 rupees to 765. Later increased from 765 rupees to 955. We need to compare previous results with price chart like this. Here price increases from 291 rupees to 918 rupees due to good results. In June quarter also, they got good results. Here, 129% profits increase in June quarter. Here we checked 1 year price chart. Now we'll check 10 years price chart. Click on all. If you see this price chart, here 10 years before price is 21 rupees. Current price is 964 rupees. And also we need to check here from 2010 21 rupees, 2014 40 rupees. So in 4 years price was increased from 20 to 40 rupees. Now check results. Here from 2011 to 2014, here profits decreased. Later increased from 2 crores to 23 crores. Later here decreased from 23 crores to 21 crores. Later 20 to 19. So from here onwards, so here profits are increasing from 2015. In 2015 19 crores, then 22, 25, 30, 49, 86, 100. If we see price, so up to 2015 price increased from 21 rupees to 34 rupees. Later price increased to 321 rupees. Later decreased to 200, then here 130 rupees. In March 2020 price is 130 rupees. Afterwards here 130 to 955 increased. So last 10 years price is constant, but within 1 year price was increased from 140 rupees to 964 rupees. Here if you see this one, results are very good for Oriental Aromatics for 10 years, only 1 or 2 years our profits decrease. But here price is constant up to 10 years. Within 1 year, price was increased from 130 rupees to 955 rupees. If you follow this company previously, then results are good, but price was not increased. If we invested in this type of companies, then we'll get good returns. We need to observe companies carefully in different angles. Now we'll check PE ratio. PE before result is 31. PE after result is 28. Due to excellent results, here PE was decreased from 31 to 28. That means 3 points decrease. This is positive sign. Now we'll compare PE with 3 years and 5 years median PE. Current PE is 28 and 3 years median PE is 15. 5 years is 15. If we compare with 3 years or 5 years median PE, current PE is high. That means currently Oriental Aromatics is overvalued. But we should not consider only PE. We need to consider other angles also. That means Oriental Aromatics price to sales, ROCE, ROE and results are very good. So currently Oriental Aromatics is reasonable valuation. Yet pros are year on year results are excellent, minimal debt, good for long term. Cons are overvalued based on 3 years median PE. 3 years median PE is 16, current PE is 28. Risk is price increased from 290 rupees to 930 rupees in 1 year. Here price increased from 140 rupees to 950 rupees. If market corrects, this stock also will correct. So at that time if you buy this company, then we'll get good returns in the future. We need to remember one more point. Oriental Aromatics got good results from last 10 years, but the price is not increased more in 10 years. But from last March 20 onwards, the price increased from 140 rupees to 950 rupees. So if we compare with the results, so this price is reasonable. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.